Hi, in this video let's talk about can plants survive without animals or humans. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it so you don't miss any of the videos. The understanding of this has to come from the fact that all biomes, ecosystems, plant communities, whether they're large or small, are made up of not just one species of plant but many, and each have their own requirements, advantages and drawbacks of having partnership with animals. Plants need animals in order to survive, and the same is also true for animals. Plants and animals have formed a mutual companionship for billions of years. Plants have evolved to use animals as pollinators, seed dispersers, fertilizers, and propagators. Animals are also used as a means of control of excess plant growth through defoliation via grazing or browsing, like a cattle under bison on a grassland or deer in a forest. In terms of energy balance, plants can survive. Energy balance in the sense photosynthesis and respirations are balanced. There is no depletion in the reservoir of carbon dioxide and oxygen also. But only one of few generation can survive because reproduction is essential for the continuation of that species, that is for its survival. For that, pollination is a must and should factor. 95% of the plants depend on zoophily for pollination. Zoophily in the sense pollination by animals. Among those depending upon zoophily, most preferred type is entomophily. Remaining 5% depend on aerophily, hydrophilic for pollination, and some are autoecious. Insecta is the biggest class of entire animal kingdom, so without this animal kingdom, plants can't lead their life. Some plants may be able to reproduce through self-pollination or fertilization and asexual reproduction, but to what extent? Plants can only self-pollinate for so long or in a limited area, and the same goes with asexual reproduction. Eventually they could kill themselves out because either their population becomes too dense that they no longer have the resources provided by the animal life to continue survival, or too populated that they begin to compete with each other for nutrients that will become limiting. A balance needs to be achieved in order for both plants and animals to survive in a continuously evolving world. Few plants may be able to survive without animals but become extinct in no time.